interesting part of the decision, an action for ejectment is a summary proceeding meant to provide an expeditious means, no? Expeditious means, paspas. Meant to provide an expeditious means of protecting actual possession or right of possession of property. Summary proceeding, expeditious means, paspas. Nga naman, ang procedure mo na summary proceeding, i-file mo sa complaint na pre-trial, na mediation proceedings, ikaw man, submit na mo sa inyong position paper. Decision na dayon. Kung dito ka sa full-blown trial, dili siya summary proceeding, hala, ang imuhang pag-present pa lang sa complainant, sa plaintiff, sa iyang witnesses, kung nakay tulo o pat, di mo human sa usa ka tuig. Maybe 2 years, no? Para sa usa ka side. Then, for the other side to present their witnesses, another 2 years. Diya pa madesisyonan. Hinay na kayong upat ka tuig. Mo na nakanindot sa summary proceeding. Within 1 year, dako og chance, mahuman jud, no? So, in theory. Pero, pwede magid siya, kaya let's say mo file ka og January. Pre-trial, February. Mediation, etc. File position paper, March. Man ang kaso, huwat na lang mo sa decision. So, paspas siya. In this special civil action, the title to the property is not involved. The only matter resolved is the question as to who is entitled to the physical or material possession of the premises or possession de facto. Mo sa ni siya ang essence jud diri, no? It is a common it is not tila to a common mistake. It is something you will see, no? Frequently. Nga ang defense sa ingwane, siya tag-iya or ang iyang cause of action is siya tag-iya. Incidental na. What is really the focus is ang iyang matter i-resolve is the question as to who is entitled to the physical or material possession of the premises or possession de facto. Ejectment suits are designed to prevent breach of the peace and criminal disorder and to compel the party out of possession to respect and resort to the law to obtain what he claims is his. So di ni mo ibutang ang balaod sa imong kamot. They discourage the parties deprived of possession of property to take the law into their own hands. Thus, ejectment proceedings are summary in nature to provide for a speedy settlement and action to recover possession and quell social disturbances. Kay kung dugay permi makuha ang imong yuta nga giilog sa lain nga tawo, no? Madugay ang mga tawo magdana og pusil og sundang, magpinusilay na og magkinikbasay tungod sa kalagot, di ba? Kay dugay man mahuman. So, the case of Pitargi versus Sorilla is instructive. The determination of the respective rights of rival claimants to public lands is different from the determination of who has the actual physical possession, not legal possession, physical possession or occupation, with a view to protecting the same and preventing disorder and breaches of the peace. A judgment of the court ordering restitution of the possession of a parcel of land, okay, ordering restitution of the possession of a parcel of land to the actual occupant who has been deprived thereof by another through the use of force or in any other illegal manner can never be prejudicial interference with the disposition or alienation of public lands. Okay? So mo ni ang essence sa decision sa korte ani forcible entry case. A judgment of the court ordering restitution of the possession of a parcel of land to the actual occupant who has been deprived thereof by another through the use of force or in any other illegal manner. Maskin dili pa na siya tagiya, kung na-deprive na siya ana nga yuta through the use of force or any other illegal manner, ibalik na sa iya ang property. On the other hand, if courts were deprived of jurisdiction of cases involving conflicts of possession, the threat of judicial action against breaches of the peace committed on public lands would be eliminated, and a state of lawlessness would probably be produced between applicants, occupants, or squatters, where force or might, not right or justice, would rule. it must be borne in mind that the action would be used to solve conflicts of possession between rivals or conflicting applicants or claimants would be no other than that of forcible entry. This action, both in England and the United States and in our jurisdiction, is a summary and expeditious remedy whereby one in peaceful and quiet possession may recover the possession of which he has been deprived by a stronger hand, by violence or terror, its ultimate object being to prevent breach of the peace and criminal disorder. Okay? So I will read further the other parts of the decision of the Supreme Court in the next episode. Okay, medyo taas na. No? So, as usual, if you have updates, 2025 updates, rules, regulations, circulars, Supreme Court decisions, DARAB cases, share. Link lang. gov.ph websites. Okay? gov.ph websites. Okay, para di ko matagbaw verify. So this is a co-learning channel. Our advocacy again is to learn, all of us to learn how to avoid land disputes. And if you are already part of a land dispute or about to be part of a land dispute, to learn how to choose a peaceful way, peaceful means, and a peaceful end sa anang imuhang land dispute. So I will see you in the next episode for the other discussion, no? Other parts of discussion sa Supreme Court in this very informative and well-written decision. So I'll see you in the next episode.